I wanna shout out to the world so they know my sweet baby loves me so. She got me going, yeah, she turns me on. And she loves me, yeah, she loves me, and it blows my mind. Yeah, it blows my mind. She's my lover. She's my lover. She loves me, yes, she loves me, and it blows my mind. Yeah, it blows my mind. She's my lover. She's my lover.
Let's see it, Christian. Can you get that in? Sam! Oh wow, Christian. That poor horse. So gross. Right here. Those are mosquitoes, no? Somebody's got to get Christian. Somebody's. Get him! Get him! Get him! Turn on your back. looks like it's always looked. Even when I was a kid, Corvettes looked.
That feels so That was 101. I was watching.
Wookie, what are you doing?
Driving?
You driving my truck? No gas.
No, always put gas.
You driving, Lukey?
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah, your car's nice.
Just gonna give it a little gas. Get those turbos. Oh yeah, those turbos spool in.
So we are leaving Utah. We just finished a stay in Salt Lake City. What was your favorite part, babe?
Salt Lake or Utah?
Salt Lake.
Salt Lake, Bonneville, Salt Flats. Best part. Really cool. Lots of sand everywhere, salt everywhere, all over my truck. Won't go away, but awesome.
There's sand everywhere, salt everywhere,
Yeah.
but it was definitely worth it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I think the salt flats too.
Yeah.
Lukey, what was your favorite part of Salt Lake? The Salt Flats. And Lukey is sick. Christian, what was your favorite part?
I think Salt Flats.
The Salt Flats. Clear winner. If you come to Salt Lake City, 100% worth the drive to Bonneville, Salt Flats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the BMW. That's the BMW sign.
That's a Mercedes.
Oh, Mercedes.
That's a Mercedes.
A Mercedes AMG. Let's go.